Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to export a OneNote notebook in 2025. Whether you're backing up your notes, sharing them with colleagues, or switching devices, exporting is a must-know skill. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft OneNote installed. Aim for the 2025 updates for the smoothest experience. Open OneNote on your computer or device. You'll see your notebooks listed on the left-hand side. Click on the specific notebook you want to export. This could be your work notes, personal journal, or anything in between. Next, head to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Export. OneNote will give you options for what to export, whether it's the entire notebook, a section, or just individual pages. Choose Notebook if you want everything, or get specific to keep things lightweight. Now, pick your export format. For 2025, Microsoft has added more options like PDF for easy sharing, or the OneNote package format for full fidelity. Select the one that suits your needs, then hit Export. You'll be prompted to choose a save location on your device. Pick a folder that's easy to find, like your documents or desktop. One quick tip. If you're exporting a large notebook, it might take a few minutes, so be patient. Also, double-check your file name and format to avoid any mix-ups. Once it's done, you can open the exported file to verify everything transferred correctly. And there you have it. That's how you export your OneNote notebook in just a few simple steps. This feature is a game-changer for organization and portability. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.